Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make my third animal inspired makeup. First, on my clean face, I'm using my MAC Prep and Prime fixing spray, then my Garnier BB cream, and I'm applying it with a beauty blender. I'm applying a lot because my face is looking terrible today, and I couldn't add a picture of my hamster because I couldn't make a good picture of him. I have a few. Now I'm using my Claire's palette to draw my eyebrows with black because my hamster is a beautiful silver colored hamster, a light gray light silver color. And after that that's why I'm using silver color from the same palette to do the highlighting, because he's silver colored but the end of his ears are a little bit black, his nose and lips are pink, I'm using a little bit white on my chin to highlight because he has a white chin. That's why he's super cute, and he has red eyes, so that's why I choose my NYX In Your Element Fire palette to do these beautiful red eyes. And that's not the only red I have, but the best red I have, because he has beautiful dark red eyes. And I'm using this little pink palette to make the pink nose, and a pink lipstick from Claire's to make the pink lips. And I did a little line under my nose, between my nose and my lips, to make this hamster look just a little bit. It was so cute. And I added this Claire's mascara that makes my lashes super cute. The Claire's mascara is making lashes super dull, light and everything. So that's the finished look, my hamster inspired makeup. It looks interesting but super beautiful, I think, and I hope you liked it. So yes, this is the finished look. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is lots of link in the description that you should check out. And see you in the next video. Bye!